Welcome to the information session on the nursing program at Walla Walla Community College. There are several degrees and certificates to choose from. The CNA is a 1-quarter certificate program. There is a minimum reading requirement to enroll in the CNA program, and it has its own application process. The LPN and RN degrees do require prerequisite courses to enroll in the programs. After completing prerequisites for both programs, the PN, Practical Nurse Program, is 4 quarters, and the RN, Registered Nurse Program, is 6 quarters long. The advising that you have during the nursing program will vary. When you are in your pre-nursing courses, if you'd like to be enrolled in the PN or RN programs, you will have a pre-nursing advisor who will help you get through those prerequisite and supportive courses. Once you have been accepted into the nursing program, you will then have a specific nursing advisor. All of these advisors are very helpful along the way. To become enrolled in the PN or RN programs, you must first apply and be accepted. Acceptance is based solely upon points earned based on your grades in the support courses. On the next slides, you will see an example of this. Applications are accepted once per year, and the deadline for submission is April 15th. Some of the support courses required have prerequisites, so be sure to review your placement test scores with your advisor to see if you need to complete any of these prerequisites. Now, let's look at an example student. We are going to look at Ed the Warrior. Ed the Warrior would like to get his ADN degree, become a registered nurse, and he took the placement test in May of this year. Ed placed into English 97, college level reading, and Math 50. Good job, Ed. Now, to apply to the nursing program, Ed must first complete 4 program requirements, which are often also referred to as prerequisites. The 4 requirements are biology, chemistry, math, and English. Now, students also are required to complete HO 100, which is the CNA course, before beginning the nursing program, but not before the application deadline of April 15th. The required supportive courses are the classes you will take to earn points towards acceptance into the nursing program. All of the supportive courses require a minimum of a C grade. We'll look at the point system next in detail. Now, Ed will meet with his advisor, and based on the test scores he has, they will develop a plan for him to complete all of his requirements and supportive courses before he applies to the program. For Ed, completion of all of these courses will take a full 2 years. Each student's plan may take a shorter or longer amount of time based on their test scores and any other college credits they may already have. Now, let's see what Ed's schedule will look like. He and his advisor are going to start him out with Math 50, English 97, and Biology 160. Now you will see the plan as they continue on through his 2 years. Now, after winter quarter, you see this yellow line. This is representative of April 15th, which is the deadline to apply to the nursing program. April 15th falls after the completion of winter quarter, so all of the classes Ed has taken up to this point will be counted toward his point total. Ed's going to enroll in the CNA program, HO 100, during spring quarter. The CNA course is offered every quarter. Ed's planning to receive his RN, his ADN degree, so he will attend the nursing program for fall 2012 through spring 2014. If he were only going for his LPN, he would begin in fall 2012 and complete in the summer of 2013. Now, the point system. We're going to look at Ed the Warrior as an example student in a video coming up here very shortly on how he earns his points. So it may make more sense after that, but this is the black and white version. So grading policy is standard for the nursing program, and it is based on grade points you earn. An A is worth 4 points, a B 3 points, C 2 points, and so on, as shown in the graph. Now, how much are classes worth in getting accepted to the nursing program? There are 3 5-point courses, which are the biologies. That's Anatomy and Physiology 1, 2, and Microbiology. There are 4 3-point courses and 1 2-point course. Now, to find out how many grade points you earn for each course, you take your points earned, which is the grade points earned there, multiplied by how many credits a class is worth. So if we look at Biology 251 as the example, that is a 5-credit class. If you get a B in that 5-credit class, you take 5 times 3, which is the points earned for the grade, and you get 15. Now that 15 then goes towards the total points earned for that course. So you take the 15 multiplied by a 5-point course, which is that Biology 251 we were talking about. So 15 times 5 would give 75 total points towards nursing acceptance for that class. Now, new this year, there is now science course attempts that factor into your points. So if you retake a science course, the amount of points you earn will decrease. In the science course attempts table, you can see this reflected. Now think of the factor as a percentage. If you only attempt a science course once, you get 100% of the points you've earned. If you attempt it twice, you only receive 70% of the points possible. A third attempt, and you only get 50% of the points possible, and so on, as you can see in the table here. Now next you'll have an opportunity to watch a short video looking at an example of Ed the Warrior's grades, and you'll get to see how many points he earned to get into the nursing program. Be sure to watch closely, and all of these points will begin to make a lot more sense.